Hi, welcome to Julia's Crafting Space. In this video, I will show you a tutorial on how to make a bow, a Christmas bow using my bowdabra bow maker. I'm going to be using my bowdabra bow maker. This is the large one. And I'm thinking of using two types of ribbon. In this case, I will be using a gold ribbon. And this one has a little bit of shimmer. It's a clear type of ribbon. And this one here, let me open it. This one here, it's also really pretty. Very beautiful fabric. It will be really nice to decorate your Christmas tree with this type of ribbon. If you like the gold, it's gold and rose gold. You can see the print, and it also has a little bit of shimmer. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be using both of these combined or just this by itself. I was thinking maybe layering these ribbons like this. So yeah, let's try it and see how it goes. So I'm going to start off with my bowdabra wire. So I'll fold it in half. And place it on my bowdabra bow maker. So there's going to be a loop on the top. You can also make a large bow with this type of ribbon and use it as a Christmas tree topper. That will look really pretty, and you can add pieces of ribbon to your Christmas tree. Let me know in the comments if you have decorated your Christmas tree already. I know some people do it right away after Halloween. Some people wait after Thanksgiving. What's your preference? Do you wait or do you do it right away? Usually I decorate my Christmas tree, well, my home for Christmas right after Halloween. This year we haven't done that yet. I think I'm gonna wait maybe like 1 or 2 more weeks. And this ribbon is from Target, and this one is from Sam's Club, and it has a lot of ribbon. It's 50 yards. I'm not sure how much. 100 feet. So you can do a lot of bows, a lot of projects with a roll of ribbon. Okay, so I'm going to start off by working with the tails of the bow. I already placed the ribbon, and now I will cut. So after I do this, so because this one is thicker than this one, well, it's wider, I will place this one on top right here, and make sure the print of the ribbon is always facing up. So just do like a little pinch. Okay, so it's going to face down because when you fold it, it's going to face up. do one loop. You can make it as large or small as you like. It really depends on where you will use this bow. So if you use it as a tree topper, you want to make a large bow for your tree. If you will use it for the present, well, it depends on how big is the gift. So it'll be based on that. Okay. It's a little complicated when you do layer the ribbons. But you can still do it. Okay, so make sure to always do a little pinch and twist. Like so. Also, let me know what colors do you usually use to decor for Christmas? Do you use the traditional, like the red colors, or do you do different colors? I normally do red for Christmas. I don't know, I just like how it looks. Red and green and white. Just the traditional colors. I'm liking this color, the gold color. So I don't know, I might change it this year. I think one time I did it gold. If you have kids, do you decorate their rooms for Christmas? I have a 5-year-old and she wants to decorate her bedroom. So I got her a little Christmas tree. It's very small. Got it from Target for $10. So now I have 2 loops on each side, so it's a total of 4. Doing another one. And you don't have to layer the ribbon. You can just do with one ribbon and it will be easier. I will do another tutorial with just one ribbon so you guys can see. Much faster to make. I might do I don't know if you've seen my summer swag with the lantern. So I might do another one for Christmas. So stay tuned for that video. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. do 2 more loops and then 1 small loop on top, and we are done. And as you keep going higher, what I like to do is make the loops a little smaller. To give a little dimension to the bow when it's completed. I really like this cream ribbon. It's the first time I used it, and I bought it last year. I think it was last year. Okay, so 1 more. It's the first time I make a bow this way. Normally I use an easier method. It's a little complicated because the ribbons tangle. Alright, let's just do the top one. So now we're cutting. So with the one, we're gonna press it down. Using the wire. A little knot. Turn it back and make, I'm doing 2 knots on the back. So now we're gonna fluff the bow. So separate each ribbon. However you like. This is how it looks, and I'm going to cut the tails. So what I like to do is I fold it in half. Just collect this. I'm really liking the gold. I don't know, I'm really thinking I might use this color for my Christmas decor this year, for my Christmas tree. Let me know if you guys like this, if you guys would like to try to make it. Remember to follow me on my social media. I have Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. You can follow me. I will put the link down below. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this tutorial. It's really easy to do. If you're starting, if you're new making this, you can just use one ribbon and that will be so much faster and easier to make. And I will do another tutorial soon on how to make a... I might just use this ribbon to show you how to make a bow just with one ribbon instead of layering 2 ribbons. I just wanted to try something different today. Thank you so much for watching and you all have a good day. Bye bye.